आज हम देखेंगे क्लाइमेट चेंज का पार्ट 1। ठीक है। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रीजन इज characterized by sensitive ecosystem enhance occurrence of extreme weather event and natural catastrophes, which is mountain region. Next देखते हैं, which one of the following is the major characteristics of deciduous tree, which is they shed their leaves annually. When the World Earth Day celebrated, which is celebrated on 22th April, which of the following is not correct? The formation of mountain chain by the compression of crucial rock is known as orogen. Fox between two extremes is called mesocrestic. और नेक्स्ट इधर सेडिमेंट्स आर डिपॉजिटेड इन हॉरिजॉन्टल लेयर कॉल्ड क्ले प्लेट्स। ये आपका स्टेटमेंट क्या है? गलत है। पार्टिकल्स डिपॉजिटेड एज sediments are changed into rock by pressure of later deposits at low temperature is called diagnosis, hence C1 is the wrong। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं स्टेटमेंट टाइप। स्टेटमेंट 1 क्या कहता है कि ट्रेनिंग शुड बी कंडक्टेड among the line and low management for ensuring the importance of environmental protection plan। Statement 2, environmental science is the developing subject and the people implementing environmental strategies should remain up to date with the environmental control process। तो दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है बट इंडिविजुअली सही है। स्टेटमेंट 2 करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है स्टेटमेंट 1 का। स्टेटमेंट 1, एन EIA is a study of the probable change in socio-economics and biophysical characteristics of the environment that may result from a proposed action। Statement 2, the purpose of EIA is help of design project which do not disturb the quality of the environment of examine alternatives। Correct answer is the statement 1 is true but statement 2 is the false। Statement 1, environmental considerations are not necessarily the same as or congruent with ecological consideration। Statement 2, environmental consideration address more towards maintaining whereas ecological consideration address more towards sustaining, hence both statement 1 and 2 are individually true but statement 2 is a not correct explanation of statement 1। Which one of the following is an interactive and evolutionary process the achieving sustainable development which is integrated coastal zone management ICZM? Focal theme of the World Environment Day 2018 was beat plastic pollution. Pollution. Which of the following characteristic is widely regarding as being an important aspect of sustainable development, which is a intergenerational equity? Which of the following best describe the aim of Green India Mission of the Government of India? First, incorporating environment all benefits and cost into the union and state budget, thereby implementing the green accounting. It is wrong. Launching the second green revolution to the enhance agriculture output as to ensure food security to one and all in the future, which is wrong. Hence, restoring the enhancing forest cover and responding to climate change by a combination of adaptation and migration measure. Hence, statement 3 is correct. And C is correct. Who is the forest man of India? Which is Jadhav Payang. The founder of Center of Science and Environment is Mr. Anil Agrawal. The British ecologist Nicholas Stern gave the most impressive analysis in year 2006 on which is the climate change. Statement based question. Statement 1, adulteration in both physico-chemical, adiabatic and biological biotic component of the biosphere by mankind resulted in environmental degradation world over। Statement 2, major environmental problems are in the fact the manifest of the degrade environmental at global level, hence statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1। The expression of the ability of surface to reflect sunlight is known as which is a albedo effect। Direction, the following item consists of two statements, statement 1 and statement 2, Examine these two statements carefully and select the answer to these items using the given code. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं पहले. Volcanic eruption is often accomplished by earthquake. Statement 2. Volcanoes erupt dust particles in the atmosphere. Hence, statement 1 and 2 both are correct, but 2 is not correct, not explanation of statement 1. Which of the following are the suggested way of reducing NOx emission from stationary source? By reducing the peak temperature, by increasing the availability of N2 for reaction with O2, by minimizing the availability of O2 for reaction with N2, hence by reducing the peak temperature and by minimizing the availability of CO2 for reaction with O2, hence 1 and 3 statement is correct. Statement 1. Environmental pollution was become global problem. Statement 2. The rapidly growing human population, rapid urbanization, intensive agriculture and industrialization together with human activity resulted in the environmental pollution. Hence, both statement 1 and 2 are correct or individually true and statement 1. ठीक, next देखते हैं. Which type of natural vegetation is found in the stepping type climate region, which is a large grassland? What is the jet stream, which is the strong wind above Earth's surface? The British economical Nicholas Stem gave the most impressive analysis in the year 2006 on which is a climate change. Which of the following countries become the first to declare climate emergency? Which is United Kingdom. Which rank was achieved by India in Climate Change Preference Index 2019, which is 9th? The concept of carbon credit was adopted in which one of the following on climate change, which is Kyoto Protocol? Climate change can affect agriculture, human health, and rainfall. Hence, all of these. Which are the major cause of climate change? Which is the deforestation, burning of fossil fuel industry. Hence, all of these. The higher per capita emitter of carbon dioxide world is which is the Qatar. Which one of the following provide the chirogenic indicator of climate change, which is the I-score? Which one of the following is not included in 8 mission under India's National Action Plan or Climate Change, which is the nuclear power? India's first National Action Plan on Climate Change was released in which is a 2008 AD. Which of the following is not included in 8 mission under India's National Action Plan on Climate Change? Correct answer is which is a nuclear power. Which of the following is not listed under 8 action of Climate Action Plan of Government of India, which is atomic energy? Which of the following is statement regarding Green Climate Fund is called? It is intended to assist the developing countries in adaptation and migration practice to counter climate change. It is founded under the aegis of UNEP, OECD, Asian Development Bank, and World Bank. Hence, statement 1 is correct. In which year was Green Climate Fund established, which is 2010? Climate Action Tracker, which monitor the emission reduction pledge of different countries, is which is the database created by Coalition and Research Organization. Which one of the following phenomena cause adverse change in global climate patterns and weaker havoc worldwide in the form of floods and drought, which is the El Nino? Statement type question. Statement 1. Carbon market are likely to be one of the most whispered tool in the fight against climate change. Statement 2. Carbon market transfer resource for the private sector to the state, which is the statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is not correct explanation for statement 1. Climate change is caused by greenhouse gas, depletion of ozone layer, pollution. Hence, all of the above. Which of the following are the primary cause of climate change? Excessive burning of fossil fuel, exploding numbers of automobiles driven by oil, increasing solar flares, heavy deforestation. Hence, 1, 2, and 4 is correct. Which one of the following provides a cryogenic indicator of climate change, which is ice score? Environmental impact assessment is aimed to help which is a resource conservation. Consider the following statements with regard to atmosphere humidity. Absolute humidity is the amount of water vapor per unit volume. Hygrometer is used to measure relative humidity. Dew point is the temperature at which the relative humidity is 75%. Hence, one and second statement is correct. Hence, A option is correct. Which of the following is most likely to cause a rise in average temperature of Earth's temperature in future, which is CO2 from fossil fuel? Greenhouse effect is caused by which is CO2. Methane concentration in the atmosphere is increasing because of which rice cultivation, cattle population, hence both A and B. Correct. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas, which is a none of the above? What is a carbon footprint? The total set of greenhouse gas emission caused by an organization, person, and event. The greenhouse gas, otherwise called radioactivity active gas, include which is all of these, which mean that carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide and ozone. Which is the greenhouse gas, which is the carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, hence all of these. What is the major role of the greenhouse gas that contribute to temperature rise of the Earth's surface, which is a let incoming sunlight pass through but stop outgoing infrared radiation? The major environmental effect of huge dam, which is the accumulation of greenhouse gas area due to waterlogging and soil salinity. Which of the following is not greenhouse gas, which is hydrogen? Which of the following does not contribute for global warming, which is a hydrogen? There is a growing concern about the release of a particular gas into the atmosphere from the permafrost of Arctic region. Which one of the following is not a gas, which is methane? What is the India's per capita emission of greenhouse gas, GHG, which is the 1.5 tons of carbon dioxide? The meaning of the carbon footprint is described by the amount of which is the carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere as a result of activities of particular individual, organization, or community. The greenhouse gas, which is also known as laughing gas, which is the nitrous oxide. As the consequence of the greenhouse effect, the temperature of Earth which increases. Which set of the following gases is most important for greenhouse effect, which is the carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor? Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas, which is oxygen? A greenhouse effect is enhanced in the environmental due to which is a carbon dioxide. Greenhouse effect cause which is a increase of temperature. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas, which is none of the above? Greenhouse gases, otherwise called radioactive active gas, include which is carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. The relative contribution of carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbon and methane towards global warming is a carbon dioxide is greater than methane and nitrous oxide and chlorofluorocarbon. Okay. What are the various gases which are included in greenhouse gas, which is the chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide? Which gas is major contributor to greenhouse effect, which is carbon dioxide? Which of the following gas has the highest contribution of global warming, which is carbon dioxide? Which of the following greenhouse gases is entirely produced by human activities, which is a chlorofluorocarbon? Which of the following is the most important greenhouse gas in Earth's atmosphere, which is the carbon dioxide? Which set of the gases, following gases most important for greenhouse effect, which is the carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor? Which of the following set of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect on the Earth, which is a carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide? Which one of the following primary greenhouse gas is not associated with greenhouse, which is hydrogen? An increase in atmospheric temperature caused by trapping of CO2 generated by the burning of fossil fuel is responsible for one of the following, which is a greenhouse effect. One carbon credit is equivalent to which is a 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Which of the following countries has the largest emitter of CO2 in 2015? Which is China. Okay. Next question देखते हैं. India's share in global greenhouse gas is which is 5%. Which of the following known as carbon negative country in the world, which is Bhutan. Which of the following represent the average increase in Earth temperature during the last country, which is 0.8 degrees Celsius? Scientists of Master University have the recently suggest formation of Britain cloud over Pacific by geoengineering to prevent further increase in global warming. What is spread in the atmosphere to achieve this, which is the seawater? The Earth's atmosphere is mainly heated by which of one of the following, which is long wave terrestrial radiation. Without greenhouse effect, the average temperature of Earth's surface could be, which is a minus 80 degrees centigrade. Which of the following conditions indicate the impact of global warming? Select the correct answer from the given code, which is melting of glacier, rise in sea level, change in weather condition, rise in global temperature, and all of the above is correct. As per the result of global warming, the frequency and several of which of the following increase due to global warming, which is the all of the above. As the result, global warming universe that has become good. Glaciers has started to become liquid, premature, coming to blooming in mangoes. Side effect of health, which is a 2, 3, and 4th is correct. As a result of global warming, there was being better global communication, melting of glacier, flowering of mango tree before times, adverse impact on health. Hence, B 2, 3, and 4th is correct. Compressed natural gas CNG is mainly composed of which is a methane. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas, which is the argon? Which is greenhouse effect? What is greenhouse effect? Which is a increase in temperature of Earth due to concentration of gases in atmosphere. Which one of the following atmospheric change take place due to greenhouse effect, which is the increase in carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere? Which one of the following is not responsible for global warming? Argon. Which of the following substance does not contribute to global warming, which is oxide of sulfur and nitrogen? Effects of global warming are aggregated by increased concentration in the temperature of carbon dioxide. The concept of greenhouse gas was postulated by which is Joseph Fourier. Global warming is observed country scale rise in the dash of the Earth climate system, which is average temperature. How much was the global average temperature risen in last century? 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. Which of the following statement is incorrect for Green Climate Fund GCF, which is the established in the Urban Conference of Climate Change? Dash is not one of the possible adverse effects of the phenomenon of global warming, which is an increase of UVB in radiation. The relative contribution percent of greenhouse gas to global warming in decreasing order: carbon dioxide, methane, CFC12, nitrous oxide. Hence, first, second, fourth, and fifth. सबसे फर्स्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सबसे पहले, फिर मीथेन, फिर आपका नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, देन CFC12. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग. ए ग्लोबल सरफेस टेम्परेचर वाज 1.01 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, bracket में 0.95 to 1.20 degrees. Higher is the decade 2011 to 2020 than in 1850 and 900. The global warming increase in larger over the land 1 to 59 degrees centigrade, bracket 1.34 degrees centigrade to 1.83 degrees centigrade. Then over the ocean 0.88 degrees centigrade is 0.68 degrees centigrade to 1.01 degrees centigrade. Hence, both A and B is correct. Gases that are trap heat in atmosphere and cause global warming are called greenhouse gases, which is carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. Consider the following statement. First statement: the average temperature of India was increased by about 0.7 degrees centigrade since 1901, or India will get its non-fossil energy capacity to 550 gigawatt by 2050. In 2090, China emits 50% of global GHGs. India will achieve the target of net zero carbon emission by 2070. Hence, first and fourth is correct. Which of the following greenhouse gas was highest atmospheric lifetime, which is CF4? carbon tetrafluoride. Next question देखते हैं. Which of the following state in India has recently introduced by greenhouse farming? Uttar Pradesh. Which one of the following countries is to first country in the world to propose a carbon tax for its people to address global warming, which is in New Zealand? Which of the following represent the average increase in Earth's temperature during last country, which is 0.8 degrees Celsius? India's share is global greenhouse gases, which is approx 5%. In the context of mitigating the impending global warming due to anthropogenic emission of the carbon dioxide, which of the following can be the potential site of carbon sequestration? Evident and an economic goal. Coal seams, depleted oil and gas reservoir, subterranean deep saline formation. Hence, all statement is correct. Which one of the following is the most fragile ecosystem that will first affected by global warming, which is the Arctic and Greenland ice sheet? Thus, their extensive rice cultivation, some region may be contributing to global warming. To that possible region is this attributable. The anaerobic condition associated with rice cultivation cause the emission of methane. Second, when nitrogen-based fertilizer are used, nitrous oxide is emitted from the cultivated soil. Hence, both statement is correct. Among the following crops, which one is the most important anthropogenic source of both methane and nitrous oxide, which is the rice? The gas which is produced by paddy field and is involved in global warming, which is a methane. Consider following agriculture practice: contour bonding, relay cropping, zero tillage. Hence, only third is the correct answer. The greenhouse gas liberated by cut chewing animal is which is the methane. Consider following: rice field, coal mining, and domestic animal, wetland. Hence, all statement is correct. Paddy field are chief source of which of the following greenhouse gas? Methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and ozone. Hence, methane and nitrous oxide. Which of the following gas is most responsible for the global warming, which is carbon dioxide? Which of the following conditions indicate the impact of global warming? Select the correct answer for the given board. Melting of glacier, rising sea level, changing weather condition, rising global temperature. Hence, all of the above. Which of the following except to be cause of the rise in sea level, which is the melting of polar ice cap? आगे देखते हैं. Next question. Which of the following is the correct statement in case of the sea level rise due to global warming? Which there will be an increase in sodium content of well water is coastal area. As a result of global warming, the frequency and severity of which of the following are increasing due to global warming? Hence, a cyclone only, storm, or hurricanes. Hence, all of the above. The global warming was resulted, which is the increase in sea level. Which one of the following is correct about greenhouse gas? Correct answer is the which is the water vapor is a greenhouse gas. Next question देखते हैं. Which of the following gas has highest global warming potential, which is CH4? The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly rising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs, which is the infrared part of the solar radiation. Carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gas because it's transport to sunlight but traps heat. Global warming is mainly due to which is a greenhouse gas accumulation. Which of the following atmospheric change take place due to greenhouse effect, which is increase in carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere? Which among is the most abundant greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere, which is water vapor? The Earth's atmosphere is mainly heated by which one of the following, which is long wave terrestrial radiation. Without greenhouse effect, the average temperature of Earth's surface could be which is minus 80 degrees centigrade. The total amount of greenhouse gases produced to directly or indirectly support human activity to refer to as which is a carbon footprint. Carbon footprint means which is the correct option is the C1. Total set of greenhouse gas emission caused by an organization, event, or a person. Which of the following statement best describe carbon fertilization? The adaptation of all living beings on Earth to climate change brought about her the uh, increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Oppression of the global warming are aggravated by increased concentration in the atmosphere of the visible carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide absorbed strongly in infrared region and its presence in atmosphere decreases the loss of heat from Earth by radiation. This is called which is a greenhouse effect. Which gas contribute to global warming through its greenhouse effect, which is more than one of the above. Statement of global warming in case of for climate change. Statement ozone depletion will cause global warming. Hence, both statement one is true, but statement two is wrong. Statement one: greenhouse gas is any gas in the atmosphere which absorb the re-emit heat and thereby keep the planet atmosphere warmer and than it is otherwise could be. Statement 2: in the Earth atmosphere, water vapor is one of the main greenhouse gases. Uh, Statement 1 is true, but statement 1 is false. Sorry, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Okay, next question देखते हैं. Which one of the following gases can deplete the ozone layer in the atmosphere, which is a methane? Which one of the following the main culprit in the thinning of ozone layer in the Earth stratosphere, which is chlorofluorocarbon? Ozone hole above poles is maximum drag, which is October November. Which one of the following term of scientists first discovered ozone hole after Antarctica, which is a British team? Ozone layer is damaged due to which is a chlorofluorocarbon. Ozone layer thickness expressed in term of which is Dobson unit. Ozone layer is mainly made up of ozone gas. Ozone depletion increase in atmosphere, which is a UV radiation. Which of the following layers of the atmosphere block most of ultraviolet ray from space, which is ozonosphere? Ozone lies in which of the following layers of the atmosphere, which is stratosphere? Second ozone hole was detected over which is the Arctic. Which of the following faulting agent is responsible for creating a hole of ozone layer? Correct answer is the which is CFC. Ozone layer is located in stratosphere. Consider the following regarding ozone. It is continuously being produced and destroyed. It helps to sustain life on Earth. It is formed to atmosphere through the photochemical reaction, and all the statement is correct. The ozone depleting substance is chlorofluorocarbon. Which of the following gas is most harmful for ozone layer, which is the chlorofluorocarbon? India has successfully achieved the complete phasing out of the hydrochlorofluorocarbon, which is the chemical used as and one of the most potential ozone depleting after chlorofluorocarbon CFC, which is the form manufacturing enterprise. Ozone layer present in the atmosphere protects life on Earth, not permits harmful radiation present in the sunlight to penetrate through it. Ozone layer is formed by a reaction of which is the solar ultraviolet rays and oxygen. Consider the following statement regarding depletion of ozone. Excessive rise of chlorine and bromine in the environment form man-made components such as chlorofluorocarbon, occurrence of certain natural phenomena such as sunspot, spectrospheric wind, degradation of material by ultraviolet radiation, major volcanic eruption. ठीक है, तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन से हो जाएंगे आपका फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड फोर्थ. ठीक है. The ozone layer formed naturally by which is interaction of ultraviolet radiation with oxygen. ठीक है, अब बचे हुए पार्ट्स हम पार्ट 2 में कवर करेंगे. ठीक है. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.